TL Travelers, and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. Today we are still in Ubud, or the Ubud area of Bali. It's a beautiful day. It's a hot day, I'll tell you that much. So last night, the volcano that you can see from the rooftop in the hotel that I'm staying at erupted. Not in a super dangerous way, no injuries, no fatalities, nothing crazy like that. But I've just been spending the morning observing that. It's actually surprisingly soothing, calming. I don't know how to explain it. It's beautiful though. So I've just been pretty relaxed in doing that. And now I am going to catch a shuttle and head into the city. We're about 20 minutes outside of the heart of Ubud here. So I wanted to take you guys into the city today and sort of show you guys around. I think I'm going to do what I call the monkey forest loop. I don't know if that's actually a thing or if that's just something that like I started calling it on my own, but essentially we're going to be dropped off pretty close to the monkey sanctuary or monkey forest down in the heart of the city, and then essentially the road there's like a U and then a straight road at the top. So I just do that loop, and there are a bunch of great shops and restaurants and tourist sites to see all along that road. So yeah, it should be a even more interesting day than just, you know, casual everyday volcanic activity. So let's do this. So the first stop of the day from our drop point at Monkey Forest is going to be, you guessed it, Monkey Forest. Let's just take a moment for the amount of motorbikes at Monkey Forest. Ooh, I like that pink one.
Hello. Hello. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi. There's nothing there for you to eat there, bud. What do you see? So the monkey forest is a great way to like spend some time, kill like an hour or so. The monkeys, I will tell you this, the reason that I'm actually filming this on my phone is because I definitely advise that you keep, you know, whatever is out of your purse, in your purse. The monkeys will definitely get right in there and grab it. So that's my little tip for you. That's why I'm filming on my phone, because I already had it out. But yeah, all in all, as long as you do it safely, properly, don't like pester the animals, it's a good way to spend some time. So whew. Hello. Oh, hi. See, this one's trying to get right in there. I don't have anything for you. Hello. Yeah, hi. What are you doing up there? I got nothing for you. Go on. Where are you going? What do you want? He's still down there. Let me see him. Oh, there he goes. Hi. And that's how it is, folks. Okay, so I'm back home now. I'm just going to show you really quickly on the map what we did, because it was pretty loud out when I was trying to talk to you guys outside of the monkey forest, and I'm not gonna use that footage because I'm just not putting you through that. So here is where I was dropped off at Monkey Forest. So this right here, Monkey Forest Road, comes all the way up, and this is all sort of little shops and restaurants and things like that. Three Monkeys is one that's on this street that I absolutely love and recommend to everybody. So that's along this strip here. And then when you get to the top after the soccer field, so right here at the corner, this is where the market is, where I did all of that shopping. And then right across from there is Ubud Palace. So the loop that I did was all the way up here to the palace, then down the street, then you take a left here and follow it all the way back down and around to Monkey Forest again. And because I was also stopping in at hotels along the way that I was like checking out for TL travel, and that took up a lot of time, it took me about 3.5 hours to do the whole loop. I would imagine that if you were stopping in and shopping and eating and all of those things, that it would take you, I mean, about the same amount of time, like if you were doing it as at a leisurely touristy pace. However, if you walk the whole circle, just like not stopping to look at absolutely anything at all, it takes about 40 minutes to do the loop, just walking, just walking. So my plan for tonight, as is every night, is to just take a chill out, hang out on the balcony here and enjoy this rice terrace view. That's the one thing about this area. Well, not one thing, there's lots of things that I love, but one of my favorite things about this whole area and whole region is just the like countryside rice terrace view. Is just something about it gets me every time. So I'm gonna leave you guys here for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not already hit that subscribe button, definitely do it. We post new travel content every Thursday and Sunday. And here pretty soon, we're gonna be off to the Gili Islands, so you're not gonna wanna miss that. And until next time, stay great, travel safe, and I'll see you then. Bye.